Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use an Android tablet or phone to scan and punch cards. Let's start by taking a look at the back of a typical punch card. On the right, there is a QR code and a web address. If customers scan the code or go to the web address, they will see their mobile punch card and receive instructions for saving their card to their mobile device and for registering their punch card. If an employee scans the code, they will get a card puncher instead. QR Loyalty cards works well with many different kinds of devices, and chances are your business already has one or more devices at your location that can be used to punch customer cards and redeem rewards. QR Loyalty cards works on all known Android tablets and phones, which include a camera. For this demonstration, we're going to use the Scan app by QR Code City. We have a link to this program that we send to each registered manager or employee with their welcome email. But actually, you can use any QR code scanner that will open website addresses in a browser, and most do. I'll begin with the home page open in Safari so that you can see that I'm currently logged in as an employee. The application places a secure cookie on the employee's browser so that it can recognize them when they scan card codes and open what we call the puncher. If no employee is logged in, or if an employee attempts to scan their own card, the card opens in the customer view, which we call the mobile punch card. However, in this video, we will be demonstrating the puncher only. I'm going to launch the program and scan a card. Most scanning applications have an option to open URLs without asking for verification first. Usually this setting is set to Ask by default. But if you view your scanner settings, you can usually change this setting so that the app opens cards more quickly. Scanning the QR code on the back of a customer's card immediately opens the puncher. The puncher defaults to punch the customer card, as this is the reason the employee scans a card the large majority of the time. This means that if the employee is simply punching a customer card, they're now done. As you can see, this card now has 20 punches. We see also that the customer's name is Jackie and that the employee is logged in as Charlie. Our customer started with 18 punches before we punched their card, and we've just added 2 additional punches. The punch breakdown shows that the customer was automatically awarded an additional punch for returning for another purchase on the same day. This is because the demonstration business has chosen to reward customers a punch for this behavior. Most of the behaviors that businesses can choose from are automatic, like this one, and require no further action from the employee. The system simply keeps track of things like this and awards customers for exhibiting behaviors that your business wants to encourage. As I mentioned earlier, the default action when an employee scans a card is to punch it. That's why the puncher has a toggle that is toggled on automatically. If I untoggle the puncher, then the card returns to the punch count it had before I scanned it. But in this demonstration, I'm going to leave the puncher toggled. Also, businesses have the option of swapping out this toggle with a plus-minus counter. I should also mention that employees cannot punch their own cards. If they attempt to punch their card while logged in, they will see their mobile punch card, not the puncher. Our demonstration business is using the socialite behavior, which provides employees with the means of rewarding customers who bring new customers to your business. In your settings, you decide how many punches each new customer is worth. The default is 1 punch per customer. When the employee enters the number of additional customers, the puncher awards the customer the corresponding number of punches. Our demonstration business has 3 rewards that are available to this customer currently. They can get a free cup of coffee, a free bowl of soup, or a free sandwich for 10, 15, or 20 punches respectively. Beside each of these first rewards, there is a green plus sign which the employee can click. Grayed out buttons are not available. In the case of the last two rewards, the plus signs are grayed out because the customer doesn't have enough punches to redeem these rewards. A few things happen when I redeem one of the rewards. First, the punch count updates, and the punch details show that the redemption has been added. And the label for the reward updates to show that one of these rewards is being redeemed on this visit. And if there are any rewards that I no longer have punches for, then the corresponding plus sign becomes grayed out. Also, a red minus sign becomes active beside the reward, which allows the employee to undo this redemption if the customer changes their mind or if the employee hit the redemption button by accident. If you need to immediately scan an additional card, use the square Android overview button to quickly return to your scanner. That's the end of our video, and we hope Whisqr Loyalty Cards is a tremendous asset to your business. Thank you.